What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be seeing guess the item and here win a revolver. So today the item is a flare gun. Hopefully kids will actually want it. Wait, where did what? Hold up. Goodbye, new one.
No people.
Yo, who wants the chance to win a free revolver?
Me. I had a revolver.
If y'all want to
If you want to get a lot of money, join the code FBB.
Come to Doc. Come to Doc if y'all want a chance to.
If you want a lot of money, join the code FBB.
Oh, why am I getting hurt?
Okay, come on.
My stupid revolver.
Today, I am filming a YouTube video on guess
If you want money, go to code
the item
FBB.
in the bag, get a free revolver. You're gonna guess first,
Who
and
wants
then
to go grind
you. What do you
crates
guess
with
first?
me?
If I don't guess right, I don't get a revolver.
And then it's his chance, and we go back until somebody gets it.
A revolver?
No.
Yo,
no.
You're
Your turn?
welcome. I went to a haunted
No,
house and
your
got
turn.
right. Yo, whatever.
Guess what's in this bag? Get a free revolver.
FBB.
Hey,
That's
no.
no.
I said umbrella.
You don't want to talk.
I thought you.
Since it was this,
I
it
think
was a
it's just.
revolver gun.
Okay,
But
guys,
since
I
you are
got it.
such
I got
It's
a
it.
good
just
person,
me.
you get a free revolver.
Put the open fun.
Not to.
Okay. Since you give me that,
If
here's
you're
this.
I don't want it.
and you're trying to.
that.
And you also get to choose.
No, it's for someone to.
What do you want? What do you want to be the
Fine.
next item? That.
This. Yeah. Some people won't guess
Hey,
it a lot.
I don't know
Go
if they put
subscribe to
snowballs.
BT Reed, BT Noah, and BT Reed. Okay.
I have one. Some bush or so I
bye.
can get some money.
Bye.
Even if you leave, you're still getting reported. I don't care. I want my.
We're gonna do
Did you open
one
that
more
present that he
because
issued with an RPG?
kids want a revolver.
Perfect. I'm a transfer.
How do I get the carpeting pubs? Y'all, who wants the chance to win a free revolver?
You. And I'm not buying me a grappler.
Who wants a free revolver?
Can you teach me how to play? Is this can you
Who wants a free revolver?
good to go? I am good.
I need one more person. Okay, yo, come here.
I need a grappler, bro. Can somebody please get me a grappler? I'm new to the game. Bro, I need a grappler.
Come to Doc.
I'm right here, bro. Just give me the thing.
Okay,
Give me the thing.
what's
I'm
in
right
this
here, I'm
bag?
right here. I'm the
You get
only
3
one.
chances. If you win right, you get a revolver. No, 1 more chance. 2 more chances.
A bomb.
1 more chance.
An RPG.
It's
Tell me what type of
It's,
item is it? It's like a gadget, a
it
weapon.
could be it where you use it hurts you, and it's you got it, buddy. Look at
ray
that.
gun.
You get
I am so good at this.
2.
That is
revolvers.
no revolver. Oh, thanks.
You're so welcome.
2?
You want a free
Man,
revolver?
you're so nice.
What y'all doing?
You want a free revolver?
My
What
game's
y'all be
frozen.
doing?
Help.
Sure.
Yeah,
What's up to Beach Ball? You need to subscribe to BT No Roll, buddy. Never mind.
anybody at Frozen Lake, I'm getting ready to set down the airport green. His name is. What's his name?
No, that's.
He logged off.
I'm just gonna go.
Rock
in the
line
video
it.
now.
Does anybody here?
Yes,
Do you have
that's
pumpkin?
Yo,
My
I have a
brother.
grapper. I have a
My
grapper in
brother.
my book bag.
Do you have
I have
pumpkin?
it. Wait, hold
Me?
up.
No.
No.
No, I don't.